Okay, students, welcome to the part second of this chapter. Yes, the Birsa Munda revolt. Okay, the Birsa Munda revolt. The revolt, commonly known as the Birsa Munda revolt, took place in the Munda tribes of Singhbhum, okay, and Ranchi district of Chota Nagpur regions. In this area, the tribals earlier enjoyed customary rights over their land. The tribals worked on their land and paid tributes to the chief. Their had land system was known as Kundakari system. Okay, Kundakari system. The system was marked by the absence of the class of landlords. Okay, this system was distributed by the bringing in of jamidars or jamidars. Okay, jagirdars. In the year 1874 by the British, the new setup required that they pay revenue to the jagirdars. The introductions of jamidar system created the class of jamidars, means landlords, and royals means tenants. Okay, rebels were depend upon rainfall for the good harvest, and the failure of rainfall lead to the failure of crops and non-payment of revenue to the jagidar. This also forced the tribals to take loans from the jagidars as non-payment of taxes lead to their evictions from land by the jagidars. At that time, force was used to exploit the tribals. Two famines between 1896 and 1900 made them suffer from starvations and brought about much more atrocities by the zamindars for payment of taxes, which was beyond the means of the tribals. Okay, the moneylenders charge exorbitant interest from the tribals for the loan which they advance to the tribal. The landlord, money leaders, and the government officers collaborate with each other in exploiting the tribals. Even the social system of tribals did not return unaffected by the British policies. Their local judicial system of clan counseling with provided them to justice without any fee were replaced by the modern courts. Okay, apart from the exploitations and operations of the mundas by the outsiders and the disruptions of their traditional social and political system, natural calamities also worsened their conditions. Okay, led by a person named Birsa Munda. Like the other movement by the tribals, this movement was also directed against the outsiders. Okay, the coups, landlanders, and traders, merchant, and government officers. Okay, there were parallel movement in other tribes like the Santhal in Bengal. A progress of the movement. The objective of Birsa was to attain religious and political independence for the Mundas. He felt that this could be achieved only by ending the oppression by the Dikkus. Okay, and they driving the British out of their territory by the eliminating them. He announced the establishment of the Birsa Raj, in which nobody but only Birsa was to be obeyed. He asked the Mundas not to pay rent. This begins against the British policy. The government decided to arrest Birsa. Birsa was convicted along with other on 19 November 1895 on the charge of rioting. Okay, he was sentenced to imprisonment for two years. Okay, the arrest of Birsa inflated the anti-government agenda of the movement. And for the coming generations, after that, tribals revolt in northeast. Okay, means the British were expanded their territories and were planning to construct a road through the northeast regions to Burma as early as 19th century. They brought a number of laborers from Bengal to cut down the jungles, and they even burned villages when the tribals objected to their moves. The Khashi tribes resented such oppressive action, and thousands of Khashis participated in the guerrilla warfare, halting the British venue. Okay. In these areas, a local ruler Tirat Singh was also killed, and the Britishers subsequently managed to suppress this revolt the military power in 1833. In Tripura, the tribals also started losing their land due to the land revenue policy of the British. They had taken the support of some tribal chiefs. They also imposed a house tax in the year 1860. The tribals revolted, and the British were compelled to use military force to suppress the revolt. Okay, similarly, more revolts took place in Assam in the Kamram and Darring districts. Okay, the British were also to suppress these all. Okay, students, this chapter is over.